Winter has returned to Tennessee, and as I sat there watching the snow fall, I kept wondering what makes it 70 degrees one day and then 30 degrees with snow the next day. There must be some kind of reason for that. And then I suddenly heard a noise behind me, and I turned around and saw this. It's probably not good when they start sending out drones. Then I heard a noise, and I looked the other way, and I saw this. They were apparently sending more, and then things got crazy. And then the Enterprise flew by, and that started an avalanche, and I decided it was probably time for me to go. My conclusion is that aliens cause snowstorms. And that's my theory of global warming and your lesson for today.